Strappy top, let's go. This one. Okay, we're cloning. Grab your top, put it in half, fold it down the center front, align the side seams, align the armholes, align the neckline, make it all nice and flat. And then all it is tracing. So we'll go around the neckline, down the neckline, it's a V-neck. We'll go down the center front fold, around the hem, and then we'll do whatever we need to do, mark the side seam opening, do the armholes. Coming up to the straps, I'm just going to mark how high those straps are before I get to the join of the straps. And now I've just got to do also this dart. We're going to do this two ways, okay? So the dart, we mark where it attaches to the side seam, and now I'm just finding the center apex of that dart. And I could put a pin through here and stab it into the paper, but that's where it is. I'm just marking the apex. Now I'll grab my ruler and I can rule that apex to the join line at the side seam. There we go, that's a dart. Almost, there's a bit more to come. Okay, so I'm just straightening up my center front, ruling that in because I hadn't done it. Label it, it's a fold. And I also haven't done my side seam. Let's pick that up again. It's not straight, there is a curve to that, so we had to put that in. Now that's done. Let's have a look at how wide that dart is. So I'm going to where it is at the side seam. Where it is at the apex is 0, so just where it is at the side seam, and then I'm going to use it in a minute. I'm going to use that measurement in a minute, so ignore those little lines that you can see. I'm going to cut it out and I'll show you how to put the dart in. So I've got myself a little bit of white paper. I'm going to split that down on that line that we actually did draw. Ignore the other two lines. And then I'm going to split and spread. So I've got the white paper underneath so you can see we measured 1.6 and that's times 2 because it's a fold in that dart. So we want to spread that out by 3.2 centimeters. Okay, here's my ruler, 3.2 centimeters. Didn't get ready with my sticky tape, did I? Okay, so sticky tape that nice and flat. And your dart's almost done. There we go, dart. Now, how that works is when we join the brown bits up again, that's how it's going to get sewn in like that. We'll nip down there and take the excess off, so it's a nice smooth side seam. Ignore those lines, you don't need them. And that's it. See how that opens up and you got that jaggedy bit there, and when it folds down it's nice and flat. So don't be alarmed at the jaggedy bit, okay? Now we do have to be worried about this flippity floppity bit, okay? We've got to smooth it all around, push it all around to the front, and then we're going to fold that out. Okay, we're right at the front there. So I'm just folding that out and I'm going to sticky tape that flat. Now that little beaky bit there we also don't need, so off he goes, and I'll sticky tape it down flat. And that is now your finished pattern for a darted singlet or cami, whatever you call it. Now if I stick my hand under there, you can see it starts to rise at that apex, which is where your boot's going to be. So again, that's how a dart works. There's singlet, top, front, number 1. Now, before you mucked around with that, I said that I was going to make you twice. So I'm going to do one with a dart, one without a dart, and see if there's a difference. So I'm just undoing that little bit of sticky. I'm showing you that before I mucked around, I actually did trace and copy this. You see it's just exactly the same, but without any of that folding out or adding anything for the dart. So just a flat piece of paper. Slightly different, isn't it? All right. We've got to get the back done. The back, there's no two versions, the back's the back, okay, no variations there. So let's just fold them down the center back, fold, and again the same process, aligning that back neckline, aligning those armholes, aligning the side seam, aligning the hemline, making sure all the wrinkles are out, nice and flat, and then I can also just, I can move them over to the flat edge of my tracing paper. One less line to cut, and then it's just that tracey stuff. The one change I'm going to make, I want to raise my neckline. sometimes that's a little bit low and it was showing my bra line, so I get to do adjustments as well. And otherwise it's just trace around all of the edges. So hem, we're coming up to the side seam, mark where it is, fold it over, and then don't get texture on your garment. You'll be doing this in pencil. Get your side seam, centre back, front, fold, and label your garment. I'm just going to extend that little bit at the back as well. Okay, give them a cutout. I'm quite used to using my rotary cutters for cutting paper. I've got a designated paper one and a designated fabric one. It's working really well. I get to go fast now. Right, there's my back. So we've got the dart front, and we're going to just walk him around the side seam with the back. Make sure that that is the same. Now, that was just slightly out. You could trim away, or you could add just to make it even. I'm choosing to add here. I just thought the curved line looked a little bit smoother with the addition. So just stick sticky tape a bit more on. And then I cut away the excess at the back because that flap sometimes really confuses me. I make it nice and flat so I know that it's just a flat pattern piece. Now let's walk him through again. Make sure that your dart is closed, all right, when you walk it through. And yes, nicely aligned now. Just even up that jaggedy. Okay, nice. All right, we've got to do it with the other piece as well because we've got the non-darted bit. So walk the side seam around. That's the only truing up we have to do. There's only 2 side seams really in the construction. It's nice and easy. And there we go. We just got to measure up the strap. So the strap will go through some hardware and attach. That's how long I want. I add a little bit extra because it's going to get folded under and sewn to attach it to the hardware. And that's handy to have on my pattern piece. I've got my dart, I've got my non-dart, and I've got my back piece. Clone done.